Now, our bite of the week comes from the mother of the 34-year-old missing woman who was found in a shallow grave in Glengough, St. Catherine earlier this week. The woman is having a tough time coping after the man she raised confessed to killing her daughter. Here's our bite of the week.
So when I hear some of them say, his meme should have killed because me love to help people too much. Good God. The song said, yeah, one song that said, rescue the perishing, care for the dying. I care for him, but I never know him would have done my child this. Never, never. And I will never forgive him.